We at Bittnet believe you can learn anything faster with hands-on experience and expert guidance. Since 2007, we have been training thousands of tech enthusiasts and professionals, helping companies to leverage their team's potential, enabling engineers to advance their careers through solid and specialized know-how.
We have held and delivered live virtual courses across 5 continents from the safety of our laptops and whiteboards, as we're specialized in delivering live virtual content, and we take great pride in saying that our team of trainers are first of all engineers and developers. This enables us to deliver up to 70% of the time on doing hands-on practice and sharing our combined experience and knowledge. We will teach you how to do it and not where to read about it.
Our team's commitment to nurturing world-class talent shows in more than 15,000 courses and seminars delivered through roughly 50,000 virtual training hours across Europe, North America, South America, Asia and Australia. Our in-depth yet straightforward DevOps curriculum benefited some of the best software, RPA and cloud services providers, who valued our practice-driven approach and the fast results of our training programs.
The costs we save delivering live virtual transforms into your savings, so you can learn much more with less. And at the end, should you feel you have not benefited from our training at all, you can take advantage from our 100% refund policy. No questions asked.